Hello everyone, welcome back to the Schematic channel. In this video, I show you how you can download and install the ATMEL Studio. So first of all, I clear your confusion. If you are searching for the ATMEL Studio and you are wondering why you cannot find it anymore, and do not worry, you are not doing anything wrong. ATMEL Studio has now been renamed to Microchip Studio. The software is basically the same, features are the same, and it is still used for AVR and ARM microcontrollers. The name changed because ATMEL was acquired by Microchip. So now ATMEL Studio is officially called the Microchip Studio. So when you are see the AVR Studio, ATMEL Studio or Microchip Studio, remember it is the same IDE with the new name. So let's start this video how we can download the ATMEL Studio, or you say that the new name Microchip Studio. Okay, so you need to search the Microchip Studio download on any kind of browser you are using. Just search this thing and click on the first link. I try to put this link in the description so you can directly access that web page. So now scroll down and here you see download the Microchip Studio. It's mean we are going to download the ATMEL Studio. Click on it. They scroll down and there are the option for Microchip Studio for AVR and SAM devices offline installer. So we are going to click on this one, offline installer with download. Click on it, then your installation is downloading of this file is start. I already download this file. Due to that, I show you how we can install it. First of all, right click on it and run as an administrator this software. So installer is running. So here we can change the path where we want to install this software or IDE. Click on this I agree the license and term and condition, and then click on next here. So they say we can choose the architecture which we want to be installed. So by default it's checked R, AVR, UC3 and SAM. So you don't be change anything here, just click on next. So yeah, don't be changed also here, click on next. Everything is okay. System validation, click on next and click on install button. So this installation take the roughly 20 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed and also depending on your PC. So after that, when installation is complete, I show you how we can run it. So they ask me for setup MPLAB XCBC compiler. So we can set up this thing first. Click on next here, click on accept the agreement, click on next and click on next here, and installation directory. So make sure your installation directory is same which is you installing the Microchip Studio. Click on next, and now they're installing the first of all compiler, and after that our Microchip Studio also installed. Now after that, click on next button here and click on finished. They need to be installed the Visual Studio also, so they are automatically installing it. So we need to wait here until the Visual Studio is installed and then we move. Microchip Studio is installed completely. So I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friend with Studio.